Hi, this is how you play NFS Rivals on the Herculean bike. The controls on the bike are modeled almost exactly after the PS4 remote. So there's square, triangle, X and circle on the right handle of the bike. Square, triangle, X and circle. Then there's R1 and R2 on the back side of the right handle. R1 and R2. Then there's the left joystick on the left handle. And there's L1 and L2 on the back side of the left handle. You accelerate your car by pressing R2 and then cycling. And if you want to go really fast and activate nitrous, you just press R2 and cycle really fast. Then if you want to brake or reverse, you press L2. You control the direction with the left joystick. If you want to drift into a turn, you press square. You can find all these instructions in the game itself as well. To select an event, you can open the map in the game by pressing the left joystick. That will open up this map, and then you can just find an event and drive to it, or just start over there by pressing A. And if you want to do a tight turn, just quickly release R2 and then do a turn. If you want to do an even tighter turn, you can just press the brake quickly and then turn. So you can release R2, press L2 for a second and then do a turn. If you want to drift into a turn, you can start turning and then press the drift button, so the car will go drifting into a turn. And that's pretty much it. Have fun and let us know what we can improve in the feedback form that follows. Thank you.